Hi, my name is Avinash. I'm from India, and for the Supernova competition, I have submitted an app entry that's entitled Deadly. There is a back end story for this app, and it goes like this. It is the year 2022. 22 of the most deadly creatures or spirits, they enter into the world in this year, and they are looking for people so that the spirits can possess them. But they realize that in this year not many people are available really roaming around in the world, but everybody is using the computer that is connected to the internet. So they chose to log in into the internet computer and then possess those people. So the starting of this application happens with a login into the ICP.
So after successful authentication, we are redirected to the page that looks something like this, and we have the 22 spirits on the screen that are waiting to be possessed by an internet authenticated internet computer user. So on selecting any of these, for the first time it asks for camera permissions, and then using computer vision my face is captured and replayed as an avatar onto the screen. So this is how the spirit possesses the authenticated user. So there is an option to select any of these any of these spirits. So there is an initial wait, after which the user is possessed. The concept right now is that this user mimics the body, the face movements as well as the mouth movements, and there are further options to record this action, download and mint, but this particular thing is limited for the purpose of Supernova, and the actual functionality is going to be enhanced a little bit later on, but the main functionality happens for the spirits that is in the metaverse, and the user gets into the metaverse by selecting the die at the top, the die button, and then there is an exit button. That exit button logs him out of the application, and when you click on die, the page loads, and then this is the concept of the metaverse here. And once the particular user dies, he goes directly into the graveyard, and that is the scene that's going to be loaded right now. As you see in the background, there are all these trees, and here you are inside the graveyard. The user is inside the graveyard. So this is the user. This is a multi-user session. The user has option to move front, rotate, And then he also has the option to invite other users by providing this QR code. And this is the integration piece with another component called the Microverse Builder. So apart from moment, here it shows the number of users that are logged in into the session, and then at any point, if you want to get back to your to the place where you have spawned, you go back to that one. And this is the functionality right now of the metaverse. There are again multiple enhancements that are planned for this, like the ability to do the same the streaming of the face and the mouth and other components of the body, like the hands, and much there is a lot of scope for improvement, and also audio transfer through WebRTC technology, and then supporting multi-user. So all of the spirits come into the grave and then they do discussion over here, well, or they could go somewhere else and do some other thing, like for example they can start developing their own applications. Okay, thank you for listening. Deadly project is using computer vision on the browser, AML stuff, and synchronizing the spirits in real time. These are all the spirits that are waiting to be possessed by you, and as a user you select one of the spirits and the selection is highlighted below. And on selection you will be asked to allow permission for your camera, and the selection itself is highlighted below, and then give it a couple of seconds. For the first time it takes a bit, the second and subsequent times are a bit faster. That's the current latest state of the OpenCV technology, computer vision technologies on the web. And here is the avatar that is mimicking my actions, and as I move my face and talk, it also shakes and moves and dances. And I also get to choose another of the spirits. Rather, another of the spirits can choose to possess me. Like this. Ha 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 ha.